What is up, everyone? This is Gabe's Fishing, and we're back with another YouTube video. And today we're out here fishing Great Lakes, Lake Michigan, for king salmon. And I got my guy Paul with me right here.
What's up, buddy?
Paul. And we're gonna come out here and we're gonna slay these kings, gentlemen. All right. So for those of you that are new to my channel, I'm Gabe's Fishing. I post tips and tricks how to catch fish. I would appreciate it if you guys check out my channel. But without further ado, I'm not gonna take too much of your guys' time. Let's get right into this video. Let's do it. All right. There he goes. He's hooked up on the king. Check that out. Skein. Check it out. There we go. Check that out. Got my guy Paul right here. Yeah, it's fighting pretty hard, man. There we go. Check that out. That thing is fighting.
Work, baby. Work.
Oh man, it's a nice buck. Yeah. It's a nice buck.
He's got some fight left, right?
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta give him a second. Peel and drag, baby. Strip and drag.
He's coming back towards it.
Take your time.
It's okay, bro.
It's a nice buck.
Whoa.
Nope. I have to leave him in.
Okay.
It's okay.
There we go.
Good job.
There we go. Check that out.
Right.
Oh yeah, Paul.
Yes, sir.
Oh, there's another one too.
That was Papa.
There we go. We're talking to the locals. All right, let's get them out. We'll take a few pictures and we'll show you guys. All right, there we go. Check that out. My guy Paul. Nice king. Check him out. There we go. Beautiful king. Kenosha. We got them all jumping around. All right, buddy. All right. Nice release on them. My line's too tight. There we go. Check this out, everyone. We're hooked up on a big king here. Oh, my drags.
Go. A little time on the, you're gonna have to run back and forth. Go back. Get that tip down so I don't want the last one. There you go.
All right, check this out, everyone.
You might have to step back.
Yeah, nice. Oh, dude, he's big. Dude, this is big. This is a big boy. All right, everyone, check this out. We're hooked up. A nice king here. Jigging spoon. First cast with a jigging spoon. There we go. What is it? Is that a buck? There we go. First king of the day. There we go. Is that? Yep, it's a buck. It's a big boy. Oh my God, he came off. No, he came off. Dude, that was a monster buck, dude. Oh my God, that was a monster. Oh my God, that was complete chaos. Dude, that was probably a 20-pound fish, easily. Wow. All right, guys, we're gonna keep getting into him. Let's do it. Oh, wow. I got my guy Paul hooked up again. Complete chaos. Check that out. Get him up, Paul, get him up. There we go, he's hooked up. Check that out. Nice king right here. There we go. All right, everyone. Second fish of the day. Oh yeah. Go ahead, man, take your time with it. Did you see what it is yet?
It's female, I think. Oh yeah. I'm coming around the other side.
Alright, you walker? Okay. Net man, guys, there we go. This is second fish of the day. I hooked into one. He's using skein. I've been throwing jigs. There we go. Let's get this guy in there. I think it is a female, right? Maybe. Can't tell. Man, one thing I can say though, these kings, they give up a great fight.
Nope, it's a buck.
It's a buck?
I'm pretty sure it's a buck.
Gotta be where he's fighting. Looks like a decent buck. Yeah, it's a buck. Oh man, he's peeling that drag, man. Ooh. Oh, whoa, buddy, come on. Take your time, take your time. Man, he got some. I got him. He got some fighting to him. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come here. There we go.
Nice.
There we go. There we go. Beautiful buck. Check that out. Check that out. Beautiful buck.
Yes, sir.
There we go, man. There we go. I'm gonna show you guys when we get them off the hook. Up on a nice coho. I got you picked up. Check that out. I'm so sorry. I left my pole right in the way. Oh no, that's a little king. It's a nice king, dude. That thing is so fresh.
Yeah, it's fresh, bro. Hey, let's clear the live roll up.
Check that out. Beautiful king. Beautiful.
It's got a forked tail. That's a coho, bro.
You think so?
Yeah, forked tail's coho. Yeah, forked tail's coho.
Looks almost like a king.
Nah, it's a coho. Forked tail's coho.
Beautiful fish, though.
Yeah.
Beautiful fish, chromed up.
See that fork?
Good.
Yeah.
Coho.
Okay.
All right, get this off of there, so
There we go. There we go. All right, gentlemen. Let's keep hitting them.
Get ready to take up over these rocks.
There we go, guys. Check this out. We're hooked up. What is it? I wonder. A coho? Maybe? Oh no, that's a king. Yeah, check that out. We're hooked up. A nice king here, everyone. Check that out. Yes, sir. First fish of the day.
Nice,
And I couldn't even really see because of that sun, man. Oh yeah, dude. Come on, buddy. There we go, gentlemen. Check that out. First king of the day for me. Check that out. The bite is on. The bite is on. Paul just had one. Real nice one. Nice female. Hope I got a female here. The bite is on. Man, look at this guy, man. He is just fighting, man. He is just fighting.
Nice fish, bro. You have to walk up front. Walk over these rods.
Oh no.
Oh, she's coming back. She's coming back. Watch out, baby. She's gonna have to come circle around.
There we go.
Play her out. No rush.
Oh, that's a female. That's a nice female. Oh yeah, it's a nice female.
Watch the lob scope. Watch the lob scope.
Oh man, she can fight. Give her that. She can fight.
Yeah, buddy.
wow.
It's a mama, right?
Looks like it.
Yeah, it is. It's a mama.
No. You have to go head first.
I know.
I'm gonna guide her to you. I'm gonna guide her to you.
Got a little bit more.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Let her play out.
Come on, big mama. Oh man, she got some fight to her. There we go. First king of the day for me.
Come back. No. Too early, bud. You gotta let him lead him in, okay? Not yet. That's as high as you can go.
There we go. There we go, everyone. Check that out.
There you go.
First female today.
Nice.
Oh man. Is it a female or is that a buck? I think that might be a little buck.
Yeah, I think it's a little buck.
It is a little buck.
Is it? No. Oh, it does have a little hook, doesn't it? It's a jack.
Yep, it's a little buck. All right, we'll get this guy back.
Dude, that's
Yeah, it's a buck.
that's chrome. You know what? That's fresh meat though, man. That's good food.
You think so?
Yeah. That's chrome. Super chrome. We'll get that.
It's a nice. Yeah, he's a nice buck.
Yeah.
It's not bad. Check that out, everyone. Check that out. First king of the day for me. He's a little guy. He's nothing crazy, but this is the first fish of the day. So, well, I guess we'll keep him. Nice fish. Check that out.
Yes, sir.
Not bad. Yeah, we'll keep him. Let's keep slaying them, everyone. Keep slaying them. All right, let's come. Steelhead, dude. Oh yeah, it's a nice coho too. Check that out. We got our guy Paul hooked up right here on a nice, what is it, coho? This is a steelhead, dude. Yeah, it's a coho. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Check that out. Oh wow, dude, that's a nice coho right there, dude. Man, it's a nice coho. Ho, check that out, everyone.
Yeah, buddy.
There we go. All right, my guy Paul. It's female too.
Oh yeah.
Pretty little thing.
Killer,
Pretty.
man.
Check that out.
Look at that chrome.
Pretty.
Chrome.
Yes, sir. Got my guy Paul again. He's hooked up. Gotta be a king, dude. That gotta be a big king. Check that out. Hooked up on something big right at nighttime. Check that out. There we go.
It's okay. She has fight.
Oh, that's a king, dude. I think. Pretty sure. There we go. Check that out, everyone. Man, we're slaying them today, man. Oh, my guy Paul's slaying them. Yeah, it's a big king.
That's kind of like a leader back there.
Yeah, it's a big king, dude. There we go, Paul. Paul's the guy, man. Don't lose faith, everyone. Don't lose faith. Paul's the man. He's the man with the plan. Yeah, check that out. It's a nice hen, I think. Yeah, it's a hen. It's a nice one, too. There we go, Paul. Nice hen. Oh, my God.
Oh yeah, big hand.
Check that out. Oh, yeah, Paul. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, Paul. Show him your catch.
Yes, sir.
Big hen. Paul, come on. This guy, he's the female angler. I think that's all he caught today is females.
Chick magnet.
Paul's the man.
Chick magnet.
There we go. Check that out.